Tahitian people refer today as Maori, and here's why. Last night I went to an event held here in Auckland, New Zealand, held and presented by Tahitian for Tahitian, but also for other people. And we've learned, and I knew that already, but just wanted to tell you that as Tahitian, as native of French Polynesia, we refer as Maori. Maori to include all of the islands, because in Tahiti there's not only Tahiti, it's French Polynesia, and there's like hundreds of little islands, and Tahiti is the bigger one, the main one where the airport is, but that's not all of French Polynesia. So Maori is the word or people use to define themselves, just like Maori for Aotearoa, New Zealand, and Maoli, I think I learned that for Hawaii. It was so interesting to learn about our ancestor. Even though in Tahiti now we are all mixed and we have European ancestor for the most part of, or some other culture mixed, but learning and be aware of this part is really amazing as an adult. We don't learn that at school in Tahiti because we're part of the French education system, so we don't learn about Tahitian culture very much. Maori culture, should I say. Well, we learned so much, and we have the event tonight. Is the last night. I went last night. It was from 6:30 to 9:30. So if you live in Auckland and are interested to learn more about Maori/Tahitian language or culture, feel free to come. It's open to all to just come and learn about it. So yeah, just wanted to say that before I head off, because my best friend is arriving today from Tahiti and she is getting out of the plane right now. Have to get to the airport to welcome her to windy, winter, cold New Zealand. She comes from Tahiti, but yeah, can't wait to see her, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.